My name is Sarah Collins, and for my wellness presentation, I'm going to be talking about steroids and how they affect your health. Anabolic steroids are the ones that are abused most by people. They target to increase testosterone levels in the body. Medical uses include treatment for hypogonadism. This is when the testes do not produce enough testosterone for normal growth. It is also used for treatment for delayed puberty as well as different types of impotence, for example, erectile dysfunction. Another medical use would be weakness and wasting away of the body caused by HIV infection and other diseases. Why are they abused, you might ask? They are abused for increased growth of skeletal muscle. They reduce presence of body fat. It is known that many athletes use it for performance improvement and as well as enhancement. Adolescent abuse as part of a high-risk behavior patterns. Steroids can be taken intramuscular injections. They can be taken orally through a pill or a capsule, and they can be taken by gels and creams, which are applied directly to the skin. There are three ways. The first way is cycling. The second way is stacking. And the third way is pyramiding. For cycling, this is the most common pattern of abuse. This is when multiple doses are taken over a period of time, and then you stop for a period of time and start all over again. This is why it's known as the cycle. Then we have stacking. Stacking is taking multiple types of steroids all at one time. You could do this by taking them orally or through injection. Then we have pyramiding. The steroid users start at a low base, slowly stepping up the dosage with time by either increasing the number and frequency of a single drug or doing so with multiple drugs till the pinnacle is reached halfway, whereupon the dosage is progressively reduced to ultimately bring it back to zero. Consequences with steroid abuse: it could cause you to have acne, breast development in men, liver failure, heart attack, voice deepening in women, which is an irreversible effect, as well as early death. A hormonal system type of consequence is reversible effects in men. This is when it reduces sperm creation and testicle shrinkage. Irreversible effects in men, which is balding, breast development, and many effects in women, which could cause coarse skin, breast size decreases, deepened voice, many different effects which are irreversible. Now, musculoskeletal system, early stoppage of bone growth if taken by an adolescent, and tendon rupture from excessive muscle bone stress. Cardiovascular system increases LDL level and decreases HDL level. The increases risks for fatty deposits inside the arteries, which is a negative effect. It could also cause one to have high blood pressure, heart attacks, or enlargement of the left ventricle, which will result in high blood pressure. Now, for the liver and the skin, it could cause tumors and cancers. And then for the skin, it could cause acne. These are all negative effects that the steroids will have on your health. Does steroid abuse affect behavior? Well, it causes increased feelings of rage and aggression. It can cause delusions as well as mania, which is periods of excessive excitement and euphoria. This is my We're Excited. I hope all of you learned a lot about steroids. Steroids can really have an impact on your health, whether it be positive or negative, but an increased amount of steroids is never a good way for your body to get used to, because it is not very good for your body. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.